grew up here, born and raised. A lot of long days and weeks, and especially when planting and harvest time come. It's a learning experience. You learn a lot of things. It keeps you humble. I'm following the combine around. It's doing beans and corn, and I'm planting wheat right behind it. We got beans roasting today, and I'm farming with my dad and my pap. 100 total head. We harvest and plant corn, beans, soybeans, sorghum, triticale wheat, forage harvesting, combining, all the fun stuff for other people, and we do it for us too. It keeps us busy all year round. My dad's my boss, but we kind of all work together.
Well, I start at 3:30 every morning. Some nights it's 10, 11 getting home. And then we do custom farming for other farmers also. So we go do their field work. I've worked here ever since I was able to, and I love what I do, so.
You do your best to get quality product to your cows, and you know, once the cows have the right care and right feed and right people to handle them, they're getting quality milk for everybody to drink. Some days you just wonder what they see through their eyes, and you try to make the best life they can have when they're small to when they're old. They're happy and we're happy.
More to do and less time to do it. In this day and age, it's all about efficiency. JLG's been there, helped me through it. JLG's been great to work with, and I'm excited with the machine. I can feed the cows so much faster, so my efficiency's a lot better. I just like the challenges of everything. Some days I wonder why, but I'm one that likes to take challenges head on and keeps me motivated.
Get to be out in the fresh air, out in the open field, see the views, get to work with animals. It's something else once you get into it.